Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Affirm's budgeting tools. So let's get straight into the video because it's going to be a really quick one. First thing you want to do is to go to the Affirm website and sign into your account. Next you want to click on budgeting tools, and then you want to select the tool that you want to use from the available options. And next, you're gonna need to provide your income and expense information. Likewise, you need to review and understand the budgeting recommendation. So they're gonna give you a couple of recommendations on budgeting, and you can adjust the budgeting plan as needed. Once that's done, just review and understand the budgeting process and of course the timeline. Now at whatever point if you will need assistance, you can contact Affirm's customer support for additional guidance. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Affirm's budgeting tool. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.